In order to graph the inequality, we'll think about it as though it were the equation y equals 1/3 x minus 2 in the form y equals mx plus b. So here is our y-intercept, and here is our slope. All right. So in order to graph this, we create our coordinate plane, label the axes, start at -2 for that y-intercept. This is the y-axis and the x-axis. Then our slope is going to go up 1 over 1, 2, 3. Up 1 over 1, 2, 3. Now, before we draw the line, we want to check and see what our inequality is. So because it's just less than, it's going to be a dotted line, meaning the line itself is not a solution. If it were less than or equal to, it would be a solid line. So we have a dotted line that's going to go through these points, or dashed line, with arrows on each side. Now to know which way to shade, I can check a point, let's say 0, 0, and see, is it a solution? So is 0 less than 1/3 times 0 minus 2? Is 0 less than 0 minus 2? Is 0 less than -2? We know that no, 0 is not less than -2. So this point, 0, 0, is not a solution. That means I'm going to shade the other direction. Everything down here is a solution. We could always check a point if we wanted to confirm, say the point 0, -5. And then we would see, is -5 less than 1/3 times 0 minus 2? Is -5 less than -2? Yes.